Hello friend, welcome back. Test smarter with TestCase Studio. Here I'm going to show you some practical use cases for your QA team which can save a huge amount of time for your team, as well as it will make your testing documentation, bug filing, bug reporting and entire testing process a very smooth, including test automation as well. Here are some of the core value propositions of TestCase Studio which are being asked a lot these days to me, that what are the core propositions for this tool, why so many testers are using, why so many testing teams are adopting this tool, and there are so much craze about this tool, how it is helping. Here are some of the core value proposition for this tool which I have just documented here. Like, it converts action into easy to read English test cases, or you can say test steps, which can be easily identified. Like, whenever you find any bug, it can help you to reproduce that bug, as well as for the bug filing. Also, at the same time, if you want to do the documentation of your testing, your test cases, test step, then this is the one go solution. No coding skills needed. You don't need to know any kind of coding. If you just know that where to click, how to click, that's all you need to use this particular tool for your documentation, for your recording, and for everything. It works across all the web application, all kinds of iframe, whether that is a same source iframe, cross origin iframe, pop-ups, dynamic web elements, etc. It also works for shadow DOM as well. Let me show you practically like how does this work. If you are using free version, here you can find the download link. If you are using pro version, you can find the download link here. What you have to do after installation, just click on this logo and here it opens like this. Now if you go to any website, you just start performing your testing. Anything you do, it will be recording here. Like here, if I enter any value, anything I will be doing, everything will be capturing here in plain English sentences. It will capture the URL, data, XPath, CSS selector. You can download this test case, you can execute it on test trigger, you can record this screen, you can find the data here, like in which system, what system you are doing the testing, what browser version. There are a lot more settings available. You can also record this test case in BDD format. You can customize the UI and everything you can do. If you are using pro version, there are a lot more things you can do. You just open this, you will find a lot more stuff here. Same thing, you can start, if you start recording here, that everything will be recorded here. And you can easily, like if you perform action, this is shadow DOM element, if I do anything here, that will also be recording. If I go here, and this is like cross origin iframe, if we perform action here, it will also be recorded. If I go to iframe, which are like multiple iframes, if anything is there, that everything will be capturing here. You can customize this template. You can directly upload this test case to Jira, TestRail, or DevOps, Azure DevOps. If you are using Microsoft Azure DevOps, you can download in Excel, CSV. You can save and continue, like you can record multiple test cases as well at the same time. If you want to record another test case, that also you can do it here like this. If you want to customize anything, you want to like add column, delete column, rearrange the order of column, that everything you can do here. You can predefine the row, you can set up Jira, TestRail, Azure DevOps, and a lot more things you can do. You can record in any programming language. You can change it to BDD format, whatever actions you want, that everything you can do it here. With the TestCase Studio Pro version, you have the multiple test cases. You can select any particular screenshot which you want to download. You can record a screen as well, with audio or without audio as well. You get the data here. If you want the pseudo code for your automation script, because here you get XPath, CSS selector, ID name, that also you just click on here. You can generate any kind of code like Selenium with Java, Cypress, Playwright, Python, everything you can do it here. You can record the test XPath, CSS selector with attribute, without attribute, with ID, without ID, automatically. You get the screenshot, you get the logs here. You can save and continue. You can copy entire code. You can you also get the logs here. A lot more things. You can add a step, delete a step. You can undo. Everything you can do it here in the pro version. Whatever you need, you can generate the test cases as per your required framework as well. Like whatever test case format, let's say you have the test case template like this, then that also can be generated like in the same format of this kind of format of the test case also you can generate. You just have to do one time setup, like you can arrange column, whichever column you don't need, you can just uncheck from here. You can rearrange the column order, whatever order you want. So everything you can do. Now you just go back here and you will be getting in that order, and you can remove. You can download the test case in the same format, that everything you are seeing here. So this is really amazing tool which can save a lot more time for you. It can make your entire QA process very smooth. There are, like you can see, free version is already being used by more than 60,000 testers just in Chrome, with a 5-star highest rated recorder plugin out there. You can see the 5-star rated tool. Also at the same time, pro version is also being used by more than 1,000 testers out there already using, and more than 50 plus testing teams are using this pro version as well. So if you want this, save more time, you can utilize this particular tool. Here you can find the quick comparison about free version and pro version. There are amazing feature. With every feature we have attached the tutorial. So if you want to understand like what you can, how this feature works, so you just click on this and you will find a tutorial about that particular.
This is the new
feature.
Dell
So
AI
here
PC.
you get all the details about free version and pro version. You can check out the business plan here if you are looking for team. If you want for individual, you can check out here. If you have any question, you can always reach out to here on the live chat to us, and we are always happy to help you. If you have any question, any suggestion, feel free to let us know in the comment section or in the live chat on our website. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.